So good morning everyone. So this is my project regarding the shop of books. So where you can buy books and you can sell books. So first of all, these are the templates that we are going to use. Okay, and this is the basic app that we are having there, and after we move forward, these are the particular models that the database that we have, the classes that we use for that, and basically all these. Okay, so first of all, let's run this program, uh, this website. So by using new terminal. So this project is made by Django, and by using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. So this is the website, and almost all the images here are downloaded from the internet, so that you can get new images every time you come to our website. Okay, so first of all, I would like to explain how this website work and what exactly it is. Okay, and so first of all, you can just see here that's all CBSE books, ICSE books, and all state books. Okay, and JEE Mains or engineering books, defense books, and all the stuff. So we have these kind of categories for regarding the books. Okay, so you can buy any book. Okay, and if you suppose if you want to sell particular kind of book, so here you can go and click here to sell your book, and you have to fill all the particular details, okay, regarding everything, and the expected money that you want from the particular buyer, that he or she will give you. And after that, as I said you earlier, that we have particular categories, but we are further trying to add some more libraries to that. So you can select others if you are giving us a particular, we can say, storybooks, or any kind of novel or something like that. You can select other, and these are the other three, other eight, six, seven courses that you can select. Okay, so for selling, you can go here and you can sell. Okay, so by selecting the categories, the database will be updated. Okay, so don't worry about that. And if you go back, okay, so these are the sales. Okay, so you can see here, the first of all, the book, the shop name and all. So here it's navbar for that, and I would like to show you the database also. Just a second. As you know that Django provide us with the database such as SQLite for small databases, and as this website doesn't have large database, so I'm using the small database that is already available. You can just see here, such as Django administration here. So this is the website that Django provided me. So you can see here the database record accordingly. Okay, so all the database, all the books that we have, so that particularly whatever you buy or whatever you sell, okay, so accordingly we get the information about you and what have you buy, so that we can provide you that. Okay, and if you want to contact us for a particular reason, if you have any query, if you have any problem, you can contact us. This is also the particular thing that you have. Okay, and this I won't like to show you. That's the actual buying phase, where the person with the proper address and email would be going done. And this is the selling page, where whenever if you sell something, it will be added here, it will be added here, and it will be added in the books too. Okay, so that we can just see who have added what, so, and automatically the books will be updated. Okay, so yeah, now going to show you how this actually work. As I already told you about the sell page. Okay, So sell page, I will at the end I will show you about how to buy the particular book and how to get all the information. So first of all, this is about us page. Okay, so this is the about us page where we have just a small thing, just a thing where you have some beautiful quotes you can see here. Okay, and in the contact us page, as I told you earlier, we have all the images from the internet so that you can get new images every time. Okay, so this might take a bit in loading, but I guess that will be amazing if you visit our website for multiple times. If you have to see a particular image for several times, it might get bored. So that's why all the images come from the internet, and it comes on a regardless manner. So yes, now suppose whatever your name is. Okay, so suppose your name is Sujit. Okay, and his email is sujit at the rate gmail.com. Okay, so you have to put the at the rate sign. Actually, it's a required phase. Okay, so it's a required email, so you have to do that, and you have to enter the email, phone number, whatever. So okay, and whatever your problem is. Okay, so suppose he is facing problem regarding the money, so he can just say after submitting, this page will take a reload. Okay, now if you want to see who have contacted us or who have any issue, you can go on contact us page. You can see here Sujit, the new user that I told you. Sujit email, his number, and whatever the problem is. Okay, and whatever the date is. Okay, so you can see here the date is 10th of December. So yeah, the date is also there. Okay, so now the most important thing for this website is for buying a book. Okay, so let's buy the book. Okay, so you can go here from this nav bar, you can, or select option, you can go here and you can buy here also. We don't have any issues or anything, or you can just go on the home. Okay, and you will be put back to the front page. It might take some time, so that you don't have to face any problem. So if suppose we want to buy, let's say we want to buy J-Main's book or something like that. Okay, and so first of all, these all are the books that are available in the stock with us. You can say see the stock and the price of the particular book. Okay, and you have to say that whatever the book so is. Okay, so accordingly you have to do that. Okay, so whatever the stock is, suppose for this book. Okay, just remember the number of stocks, so that you can just see that after whatever the particular sense is, after the particular buying, whatever the stock is negative or not. Okay, back to how to buy that. So yes, you can go here, and after going to buy portion, you can just see the whole image of the book. Okay, and after that you can see what's the column is and what's the product ID is. Okay, whatever your email is, let's suppose your email ID is sujit at the rate gmail.com. Okay, and address is okay, and the mode of trans payment, we have just here COD, but we are trying to get UPI and net banking. These both are in development. Hope so we will be doing that in soon. Okay, and if you want to get the details of the product that you are buying, its transaction, its placement and all, where the product ID is arrived and all, so you can just click here. So yes, give me the details on my email tracking ID basically. So when you submit, remember that the product the cost sorry, the stock was 4. Okay, so yes, the transaction is done. Basically you have the other details will be shared to you shortly via SMS or email. Okay, so we have provided the wrong phone number, so no SMS will be forwarded. Email will be forwarded if you have written the proper email. Okay, so now let's go back. First of all, let's see the person who have buy. So let's go here, and here you can see Sujit has buyed. Sujit at the gmail.com, address boys hostel, phone number and product ID. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, so he have buy the book, so here he have the idea where we have to uh, address the, we have to give the book. Okay, so now it's the most important thing that the stock should be deducted. Okay, so let's so that's, yeah, the website is fully secure basically, so that's why this resubmission confirmation is going up, because if this happens, the transaction or the database might get some issues regardingly. Okay, so yes, and we will buy the books again. We have to go to JEE Mains book, and yes, see, the stock has been deducted. Okay, so we have buy this book, no? Yeah, we have bought this book. Due to resubmission, the product has got 2 deduction. Okay, so yeah, if you go here and yes, see, as I was saying, because of reloading of my problem, this thing happened. 2 books get ordered for that particular person. Okay, so yes, now you can see here the stock has been deducted. Now going back to the code, see, the main logic of the code is where you have to add a book and you have to subtract a book accordingly. Okay, so that's here only. See, if you buy a particular book, these all the conditions that you have to satisfy first, and then this is the exact thing, the quantity of the product ID plus 1. And similarly, in the selling option where you have to final buy, you have to see that the quantity gets deducted. Okay, so that's the actual thing. And if you want to download this file and all, you can just go here, the my GitHub ID. You can go here and you can just see that I have uploaded that knowledge shop by that and instruction to run that file. Okay, so you can go here and instructions basically, because Python and Django uh, are something like they don't exactly run on the same thing on VS Code, so you have to do something before getting the exact thing. So these are the instruction that you have to go through all. Okay, so you can go through, and then this is the code. Okay, so you can just download this and you can just have this code. Okay,